Hey, how are you? This used to be here. Then it fell off. Why did it fall off? Well, because the person put it on here didn't do it as good as we will today. Let's just say that. The wire broke. The nail came out of the mortar. So I want to show you today how to hang picture frames, mirrors, and stuff like that on brick walls. Ready? Here we go.
Make, fix, grow, cook. GardenFork.
Are you excited about this? Are you? You're very excited about this project. All right, let's go. All right, let's talk about stuff that you're gonna need. The key piece is a hammer drill. We'll talk more about that. These are masonry percussive drill bits, ear protection, dust protection, eye protection. For this job, some plastic anchors and a vacuum. So I need to fix this wire here. Let me show you what I'm gonna do. This is a galvanized braided hanging wire, okay? So I'm gonna take this out. And I tie a double knot in it. And I bring this over to here. Some people will just fold this, will just wrap this on itself like this and it'll grab, but I like to tie it. And now you're good to go. So we're all set. We fixed the mirror wire. We're gonna hang this thing up, drill a hole, boom, done, we're out, right? Wrong. We have to kind of talk about the elephant in the room. And that is a controversy that are on my other videos, whether to drill into the brick or the masonry joint between the brick. Let me show you why I drill into the brick. So here's our brick wall. We're gonna hang our mirror, right? Brick, mortar, but look here. I work in old buildings all the time. The brick is much more solid than the mortar most of the time. You can argue below with the comments. I'd love to hear what you think, but I go into the brick, I don't go into the mortar. So let's go over the tools for a minute, okay? This is a hammer drill. It is corded. It's not cordless, doesn't have a battery, plugs into the wall. It is a percussive hammer and rotary drill in one. They're not that expensive. I'll link below to the one that I use. If you're doing any DIY projects, if you're gonna do stuff in the future, this is the one drill to buy. It's gonna last you forever. It's gonna save you a lot of headaches. There's some times where cordless drills just don't have the torque you need to really unscrew something or slam something in. So this and a set of masonry bits, percussive masonry bits, hammer drill bit starter set, I'll link below. Hammer drill bits, one-time investment, lifetime of pain-free hanging of stuff, cement, brick. Okay, did I make my point? Oh, that wasn't very elegant, was it? Do I have to take my glasses off? I guess so. Eye protection. Ear protection, because this drill screams, okay? If you're going to hang a TV into brick, don't use this. Use what's called a sleeved anchor. I'll link below to information about these and all the other tools. I highly suggest using a vacuum or a shop vac. I like these because they're lightweight. You can hold the hose up. When you're going to drill in the brick dust is going to come out, and if you don't catch it right away, it goes everywhere. So it's a good thing. One last thing. I always start the drilling on the regular rotary drill setting, and then once I get a point made in the brick or cement or tile or whatever, I flip it over to hammer, and then I go. If you start with hammer, this can jump, all right? So start and make a little divot, kind of like if you're drilling through metal, you set a little point, You're setting a little point on rotary, just a little bit, go to hammer, and you're in. Remember what I warned you about the screaming part? Here we go. Oh, great. That's what I get for using the masonry bit that came with the screws and the anchors. I'm going to use my real hammer drill bit and make that the true diameter for our anchors. Okay. The real bit, real tight, good to go. So I'm going to stop and leave a gap so our wire can go behind that. That is not going anywhere. All right, we've got the new super strong braided wire. Hang that right here. Center that. And that is a beautiful thing. Am I a beautiful thing? You can let me know in the comments. Be nice to me, okay? So there should be floating right here some other videos, more about me. Click the down arrow below the video to find out about the kind of drill bits, sleeves, anchors, all about Eric's world right below. So go out, do cool stuff, come back and tell me about it. All right? Make it a great day. I'll see you later.